Hey, Steve Gardner here with eXp Realty. Wanted to talk about what it means to be in a seller's market. There's interesting information in this video I think you'll find useful. Once again, if you find this information great and you love it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel or my Facebook business page. All the videos are there for you to take a look at, all the different ones. So let's dive right in. So what it means to be in a seller's market. Right now, if you watch the news and you're not living under a rock, it's a good time to sell. We have a lack of inventory. Right now, we are sitting at a 2-month supply of homes, and that's from the National Association of Realtors. So basically what you have now are lots of buyers, low interest rates, so it's a great time to buy, and sellers putting their houses on the market and having multiple offers on their house, and for the most part selling over list price. This is a great little chart, or actually a bar chart, a bar graph. Anything less than 6 months, and we're definitely less than 6 months. We've got 2 months worth of inventory. Some places a month and a half or less. Between 6 and 7 months, pretty standard, 180 days. It's neutral. More than 7 months, and I've been through this too, where we have a bunch of homes on the market. It's a buyer's market. Okay, so right now it is definitely a seller's market, but also with the combination of being a great time to buy because of low interest rates. All right, so I hope you found this useful. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out my Facebook business page, and if you're interested in purchasing or selling a home, I would be more than happy to be your realtor. All right, thanks, take care, bye-bye.